Ya que and desde que both mean since, but the difference between them is that ya que is used with reason and desde que is used with time. In other words, ya que is used in the sense of because, and it indicates a reason or justification for something. For example, ya que está lloviendo, podemos ver una película. Since it's raining, we can watch a movie. Ya que está lloviendo, podemos ver una película. No tienes que preocuparte, ya que todo está bajo control. You don't have to worry since everything is under control. No tienes que preocuparte, ya que todo está bajo control. Desde que, on the other hand, means since when it's used in the sense of from that point in time. For example, no ha parado de llover desde que empezó. It hasn't stopped raining since it started. No ha parado de llover desde que empezó. Ha pasado mucho tiempo desde que te conocí. It's been a long time since I met you. Ha pasado mucho tiempo desde que te conocí. Summary. Ya que means since in the sense of because. Desde que means since in the sense of from that point in time.